Okay. Okay. Oh, we went to the beach with Grandma. Mommy.
Cricket wireless. Who the fuck was a cricket phone?
I'm going swimming right now. I'm going swimming. Okay, you can tell your parents about you floating because these ones my mom watching. Yeah, we're floating. I'm going swimming. Okay, you can tell your parents. Yeah, those are hers. These are no, these ones bought a dollar tree. No. Again. Okay, you can tell him to buy you floating because he's on that. Come in, finish. You're just messing with her. Do it. What about me?
You are
quiet. These shorts don't fit you. Amanda, these shorts still fit you. I know. It's gonna get hotter later. Baby! I want these. What? Thank you. Dad, give them to me. I'm not giving them. What are you doing? It's right here. You haven't even get. Come back. You're probably gonna play baseball next.
Man, be quiet. What's that fucking voice? You are
quiet. These shorts still fit you. Pass your belly button. That's it. You hear me?
No, because I didn't play no shorts because there wasn't no category in my size. So.
Man, be quiet.